This trading strategy gives us buy signals, which have a risk-reward ratio of around 3.56%. And get the profit of 3 times, again a buy call that has a risk-reward ratio of around 2%. Generated after that a short call that has a risk-reward ratio of around 5.3% more than 5 times the profit. And next position is generating buy calls which have a risk-reward ratio of around 6.5%. Next generating a short signal that has a risk-reward ratio of around 3.5%. And the last signal here is the buy signal created, on which we have executed the trade and it is currently running with a profit of 4.5%. Hello friends, welcome to this video of Power of Trading YouTube channel. Which is amazing RSI trading strategy with a secret indicator. And Tradingview buy sell signal indicator. In today's video, I will discuss one of my favorite trading strategies with you, in which I have used a custom indicator. Along with that, I have also taken the help of double RSI indicators, due to which the win rates or accuracy of the strategy have become very high. Because I have made some such setting in both these indicators. Let's learn the strategy. Let's learn the trading strategy. For this first, let me tell that I am using it today. Tradingview.com platform. Let me tell those who don't know. You can use any type of chart on this platform. So for strategy, we have to go first. Candlestick settings, which is available above. Going there and looking at the candles, which we have to change in Heikin-Ashi chart. After that, we will go to indicators. And we have to search chandelier, exit. And this script is made by Everget. And after that, we click on this indicator and add it to the chart. From which we can see on the chart that buy and sell signals have been created. This chandelier's exit indicator gives very good signals. Even with its default setting, if you see, the buy signal that was generated. If you will see the buy signal generated here. If I calculate its profit, then a profit of more than 6% is given with the default setting. If I look back, here a sell signal was generated in which we have seen a 9% momentum. But now keep watching further and going to the back chart, then this buy signal which was generated here, we had lost this trade. After that, in the sell signal which is generated, we have seen a momentum of 5%. But after that, we have lost again the trade on the buy signal that has been created here. So with its default setting, we will change it in this video, along with using custom double RSI indicator. I will also show you how we can increase the accuracy of this indicator. And increase the win rate ratio. So the second indicator that we will use in today's video is RSI, so for this, we will first go to the indicator option. And then have to search their RSI. Then I select the relative strength index. I select it twice. We now have 3 indicators on our chat. Of these, the first is chandelier exit, the second is RSI and the third is RSI. So first we will change the setting of the main indicator chandelier exit which we used. Chandelier exit will have to change its settings. Above you will get an option of setting, by going to which we can change the setting of the indicator. It has an ATR period. We have to change that at 1. And we will change the ATR multiplier indicator which is at 2. This is the use close price for extremums, you have to remove it. Then you have access to symbols by going to the tile and style. We'll remove all that so that our chart is clean. We have done the setting requirement in our chart. Because of this, you may have noticed that all the unnecessary signals that we had on our charts are gone. After this, we will go to the setting of the RSI indicator. Now we will go to the setting of RSI indicator, which is at the top, click on the setting of RSI here. So first we will remove RSI based MA. After that, we will change the color of RSI so that it is better visible to us on the chart. And after that, we go to input and change the RSI setting 100. So now our first RSI indicator is done. Now we will open our second RSI indicator setting. And after that, we will change the RSI length here to 25. And then going to style, we will remove RSI based MA. And after that, we will change the color of our RSI so that it is more visible. Now both of our RSI are completely ready. Now we just have to overlap these. After that, we have to go to RSI indicator more option. And then after going to move to, we have to select the existing pane below. And as soon as you select it, both these indicators come on the same pane so that the requirement which we have now can be fulfilled. After this, we have to make another setting, for which we will have to go to the option of more, and then we have to go pin to scale. And after that, we have to select Pin to Scale Z. And as soon as you select it, whatever our requirement is, it gets fulfilled. The settings we had now are completely ready. For strategy, let us now learn how to use strategy. The way to use it is that we have to take the help of indicators on both sides. If you are looking at the chart now, the chandelier exit indicator has given a sell signal. And as soon as it signals sell signal, we go straight down. Take the help of double RSI indicator. For that we have to see that if sell signal is generated, then 25 period RSI indicator has broken the 100 period RSI indicator from top to bottom or not. In this case, if you see here, after the signal is generated, here the 25 period RSI indicator has crossed the 100 period RSI indicator from top to bottom. So this signal is a valid signal. We can execute our sell trade here. You see here, we have already made a little profit here. Similarly, you can see the buy signal generated before this, in which the 25 period RSI indicator has crossed the 100 period RSI indicator, from bottom to top. But where we will not execute our trade. If the 25 period RSI indicator stays below the 0 level and crosses the 100 level. So it is not a valid signal. But if we see the signal before this, then it is a valid signal. Because here below also the 25 period moving average has crossed the 100 period moving average from top to bottom. This is a valid sell trade, and if you look at the momentum of the trade from here, you have almost got a profit of 4%. If we discuss the signal before this, then the signal of the sell that has been created here, it is a valid signal, in which we got to see very good profits. But after this, the buy signal here is not a valid signal because the market is already going down. Here you can see the RSI indicator, which is crossed here or not, it is not known properly. The sell signal here is not a valid signal. Below you see the RSI indicator, in which the 25 period moving average has crossed the 100 period moving average upwards. And here you are seeing buy and sell signals, both these signals are not valid. But after this, the signal generated here is a valid signal, in which very good profit has been seen. If we were trading using this setup when this signal was generated, our account would have grown by 10%. And I would like to say a special thing about this strategy. If you charge this indicator on a lower time frame, then you will see a lot of fake signals. For example, if you use this indicator with a time frame of 5 minutes, then you have to change the setting of the chandelier exit indicator. For this, you have to go to the chandelier exit setting and set ATR period 2, and ATR multiplier 4. Doing so will reduce some of the fake signals further. After this setting, if you look at the chart of 1 hour, then some of the fake signals that were created in the middle were also reduced. I use this strategy for 1 hour chart. If you want, you can select at any time frame according to you, but I will also recommend that you should also trade on the chart of 1 hour. Tomorrow again I will be present in front of you with a great trading strategy. To subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends, or don't forget to like the video.